How we doing? It's Josh Brown, founder and CEO of Faith in Action Community Education Services, and we are finishing up our last day of our professional development training week. And it has been an amazing time. It's been amazing for everybody, and one of the things that I love so much is the growth and professionalism that not only myself am still doing, but also our staff. And so we have such a diverse and robust staff, and it's been amazing seeing everybody out, and we cannot wait to get back to serving the community in the school year.
You really dictate your energy from the moment you walk in the room. That's extremely important. And it's also a little uncomfortable, right? Oh, do I want to do it? Should I get up? I don't know. I want to clap. I really just want to boogie, right? But it's uncomfortable. You might be a little bit embarrassed, right? And that's okay.